Welcome to Best Choice. The best guitar racks is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any serious guitarist, especially those who own more than one instrument. Imagine a world where your beloved guitars are not just stored but showcased, easily accessible, and protected from accidental bumps and scratches, all while adding a touch of professional flair to your music space. This isn't just about tidiness, it's about preserving the integrity of your instruments and ensuring they're always ready for your next jam session or performance, making a multi-guitar stand a true game-changer for any musician's collection. Number 5. ChromaCast CC-DGS Universal Folding Guitar Stand. Introducing the ChromaCast CC-DGS, an A-framed universal guitar stand designed for stability and security. It features a secure lock to keep your instrument safe. Crafted with a lightweight yet durable metal construction, this stand is built to last. It also includes rubber feet for added stability on any surface. Need to pack up? It folds flat in seconds, making storage and travel incredibly convenient. Take it anywhere without hassle. The stepped yoke is engineered to securely fit both electric and acoustic guitars. You can rest assured your instrument is held firmly in place. We've included soft foam arms and a rubber backrest. These features are designed to protect your guitar's finish from scratches and damage. What we like. This stand folds flat in seconds, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. Its secure lock mechanism ensures your guitars stay put. If you're a gigging musician or someone who travels frequently with their instruments, this is a fantastic choice for its portability and security. What people say. This stand is very sturdy and can hold multiple guitars without issue. The design is compact and doesn't take up too much space, even with several guitars on it. It's easy to assemble and adjust for different guitar sizes. Number 4. Gator Frameworks GFW GTR 2000 Double Guitar Stand. Introducing the Gator Frameworks GFW GTR 2000, the ultimate solution for musicians. This stand is designed to hold your instrument securely and reliably. It features a dual guitar capacity, meaning you can safely store 2 electric or acoustic guitars at once. No more worrying about space or stability. Constructed with heavy-duty steel, this stand is both lightweight and incredibly durable. You can count on its long-lasting reliability for years to come. A secure neck restraint ensures a firm and stable hold for each instrument. This feature prevents accidental slips and keeps your guitars safe. Worry less about scratches thanks to the protective rubberized padding. It preserves your guitar's pristine finish, keeping it looking as good as new. For added safety, it includes removable red safety trim on the feet. This enhances visibility, making it a safer addition to your music setup. What we like. Built with heavy-duty steel, this stand offers robust durability for long-lasting use. The secure neck restraint provides a firm and stable hold for each guitar. If you need a reliable and sturdy option for displaying 2 guitars, especially if you have a mix of electric and acoustic, this is a solid contender. What people say. This guitar stand is very sturdy and can hold multiple guitars without any issues. The design of this stand is excellent, it's easy to assemble and doesn't take up much space. I love how this stand keeps my guitars organized and safe. It's a great way to display them. Number 3. String Swing Guitar Stand CC-34. Introducing the String Swing Guitar Stand, designed for the modern musician. It's built with sturdy North American oak hardwood to securely hold your instruments. The neck rests feature high-density composite padding, ensuring a gentle yet secure grip. This durable padding protects your instruments, keeping them in pristine condition. This stand is perfect for your collection, holding up to 6 electric or 3 acoustic guitars. It's designed to complement your studio or room with its attractive oak finish. With over 30 years of experience, String Swing is dedicated to crafting top-notch instrument display systems. Our products are manufactured in Wisconsin, USA, and are guaranteed for life. Experience 100% USA-made quality with this stand, crafted from premium American hardwoods. It represents exceptional American craftsmanship, ensuring the best care for your guitars. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime structural warranty. Your investment is protected, allowing you to focus on your music. What we like. Crafted from beautiful North American oak hardwood, this rack adds a touch of elegance to your space. It can hold a significant number of guitars, up to 6 electrics or 3 acoustics. If you value aesthetics, durability, and a lifetime warranty for a larger collection, this premium option is ideal. What people say. This guitar stand is very sturdy and can hold multiple guitars without any issues. The design of this stand is excellent, it's compact and doesn't take up too much space. I appreciate the individual slots for each guitar, which prevents them from scratching each other. Number 2. Gator Frameworks Triple Guitar Stand GFW GTR 3000. Introducing the Gator Frameworks Triple Guitar Stand, designed to hold up to 3 guitars securely. It's perfect for both electric and acoustic instruments. This stand offers a dual guitar capacity, meaning it can safely accommodate 3 of your beloved instruments at once. Keep them all in one convenient place. Crafted with heavy-duty steel, this stand is built to last. Its design is both lightweight for easy transport and incredibly durable for long-term reliability. Worry less about your guitars tipping over. It features a secure neck restraint that fastens around the neck, ensuring a firm and stable hold for each instrument. We know your guitars are precious. That's why it comes with protective rubberized padding to prevent any scratches and preserve their beautiful finish. For added safety, it includes removable red safety trim on the feet. This enhances visibility, making it a safer choice for your valuable instruments. What we like. This stand is constructed from heavy-duty steel for maximum durability and reliability. It features a secure neck restraint to keep your instruments safe and stable. If you're looking for a dependable stand that can accommodate 3 guitars, whether electric or acoustic, this offers great value and security. What people say. This stand is very sturdy and can hold multiple guitars without tipping over. The individual slots are padded to protect the guitars from scratches. It's easy to assemble and doesn't take up too much space. Number 1. Hercules GS432 BPL US Auto Grip Triple Guitar Stand. Introducing the Hercules GS432 BPL US, designed with 3 built-in auto grip systems. These systems ensure your instruments are locked safely in place, providing peace of mind. Its AGS yoke is engineered to fit a wide range of guitar neck sizes, from 40mm to 52mm. This means it can accommodate most acoustic, electric, and bass guitars with ease. For instruments with narrower necks, like banjos and mandolins, the included NINA attachments are a perfect solution. They increase the thickness of the AGS arms to securely hold these instruments. Adjusting the stand's height is quick and simple with the instant height adjustment clutch and locking pin. You can easily set it to your preferred height and know it will stay secure. The folding back rests offer multi-angle support for your instrument and fold up neatly for convenient travel. This makes it an ideal companion for musicians on the go. The stand offers an adjustable height range from 905mm to 1130mm. This flexibility ensures a comfortable playing position for a variety of musicians and instruments. What we like. The standout feature here is the auto grip system, which safely locks your guitars in place. Its adjustable yoke accommodates a wide range of neck sizes, even narrow ones like banjos and mandolins. If you have a diverse collection of instruments, including those with unusual neck widths, this stand offers unparalleled security and versatility. What people say. This guitar stand is very sturdy and holds my acoustic and electric guitars securely. The design is compact and doesn't take up much space, which is great for my small apartment. It was easy to assemble and feels very stable, even with multiple guitars on it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.